Yeah.
Right, ready? 1. Oh fuck.
Run!
I lit 1.
You lit 1?
It's harder than you think, man. Pressure.
Oh, that might set them all off.
I don't think it will.
What do? Go on.
It'd be good if it did.
That's a well good one. What was that? Run! Ollie, run!
I had loads of time then.
No, you didn't. There's only one more, isn't it? Oh!
Oh, hell yeah.
You've got the little lemon drop things. Have they all gone off now? No, it's not. But it almost, no, it didn't actually, it turns out. I just have worried people going off. Ah! You've done all the little cardboard box ones now?
No, I've still got them to do. There's
Oh,
like
yeah.
4 more. Get that big fucker ready.
He's doing. And the little thing.
If it does, I hope it falls over into the garage.
Oh, bloody!
Whoa.
Shit.
Whoa!
It's like an actual fire display.
I was just planning my exit strategy
It's not landing on the roof.
Is that it?
Awesome. Yeah.
That was well.
That was well good. Look, one almost hit me.
It's
It's still warm. What is it? It's
Something well landed, like just in that bush as well.
shut off everywhere.
Do what?
You recorded?
Yeah.
I might have killed an. You're an idiot.
Oh, dude.
Oh, don't be a twat. Ollie, it's gonna light, you dick. Ollie.
Are you good? Are you good? Is that 4 shots?
I think so, yeah.